All right, guys, we got a minute to go before market open, and let me get on the momentum scanner. All right, market is open. IGC pulling back. Netflix just got smoked right out of the gates. Gonna watch Netflix down at this 378 for a possible bounce. It's testing, getting ready to test the closing price of yesterday. So I'm long Netflix. It dropped like crazy. I'm gonna see if this thing bounces. So it just dropped right below the 378. Wow, massive selling pressure there. Very surprised. So I already hopped out there. I got in just a little too soon, I believe. Way too soon, apparently. Yeah, this thing just broke right through what I thought would bounce around 378. BBY is not holding up right now for anybody to get in right now. I'm not going to chase BBY down. I'm back in long on Netflix. Going to try and scalp this up. I was a little too soon, but I think I captured the right moment this time. That was a very aggressive move to the downside. I think it's going to have a strong squeeze. So there it goes, starting to squeeze up a little bit. All right, and I'm probably going to get ready to take off the trade here in just a second. Let's go squeeze. All right, there we go. Nice little win. So one win, one loss there on Netflix. Not bad. ACHV is kind of trying to do this red to green move push. A little late to the party, not going to chase that up. Wow. See, that's the annoying part about BBBY. It's just dropping like a rock. I'm not chasing that down. CCCL. Okay, I see it. Or wait, not CCCL. Wait, is that what you said? CCCL? Yeah, I see it. Okay. That actually looks pretty good. All right. I am. I'm going to take CCCL short here. Just entered short CCCL. Looks like we can drop down to test the $61 area. Do have some sellers coming in. We'll take majority of my shares off as soon as this thing kind of pushes lower. Oh, come on, don't squeeze. So there goes BBBY going for a squeeze back up. Okay, it looks like CCCL is about to short squeeze, honestly. Let's see. If it stays below the 9, it's okay. IGC is going for a red to green move. Yeah, short squeeze. Jeez. So all out of CCCL as it failed the rollover short, and now it turned into a short squeeze. Big rejection candle there on BBBY. Should have taken that short pop. So probably going to be down. Maybe down $400. Another start to a bad day. Yeah, ACH again. It went for the ACHV. Went for that red to green move. Still kind of holding up. A lot of buyers in on BBBY at this $15 mark. So if 15 snaps, we might get a panic sell. There it goes. Just instantly dropped 10 cents. I think we're looking at a short squeeze here on CCCL possibly. So just watching it for a possible long if it starts reversing back to the upside. Man, these past couple of days just cannot do anything right. It's kind of frustrating. That's what it is. IGC is just kind of hanging out right now, bouncing on the 9 moving average, not doing a whole lot. I was really hoping that BBBY would pop up and, allow for a nice short, but it just basically went ripping right to the downside out of the gates. Yeah, watching CCCL here. A lot of sellers trying to hold it down. I'm going to long it here. CCCL looks like it might short squeeze up over the VWAP. So I just entered long CCCL for a break over the VWAP. Let's see if we can get it to here for a short squeeze. It's trying, still struggling. Oh, so it might be failing it. We'll see. Look at BBBY. Man, that's a big miss on the day. All right. CCCL still failing the VWAP. Can't get over right now. It's getting heavy on the 9 moving average. All right. Short squeeze move failed. Another loss. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I can't trade. Can't do it. Not my day. Again. Hopefully some of you guys are doing far better than me. My main play for the day I didn't take, which was BBBY. I don't know. I just didn't feel comfortable chasing it out of the gates like that on the downside. AM Xeon. 2,000. So what do we hit? 500 bucks down. Yeah, it's not all that bad. Ah, BBBY, such a miss. So IGC just rolled over. IGC is pretty much looking really weak on the day. Wouldn't trust that at this point. ACHV just popped up, rolled over, looking like that might break down a little bit. Ooh, Amazon broke 2,000. Look at it go. So let's see. BBBY has no floor at this point. There's no support below it, no floor. Yeah, I see the big squeeze there on Netflix back to the upside. Not bad. Retesting kind of the 200 moving average area. Yeah, they could have a big short squeeze on BBBY because it's such a large move down. Holy smokes. Look at RXII. RXII over $2. This thing's squeezing. Can't trust that move. Can't buy that high. Wait for it to pull back, if anything. Little penny stock flipping, like going nuts. Could watch Netflix here, possibly for a red to green move. That could happen. So watching this RXII, if it gets over 2, it could squeeze even to 250, possibly. You see, look at Netflix popping up, trying to go for a nice red to green move. That's kind of what I was referring to. Yeah, still got a lot of headway ahead of it. Yeah, TLRY had a nice little spike. AMRN's going through a nice little dip and a pullback. Trying to push back up towards high a day there, still kind of failing. So I just actually got long on GERN. It's on a different screen. It's trying to break through the VWAP here. So I entered long GERN. I'm seeing a lot of buys coming in on it. Could lead to a nice little squeeze. So I'm currently long GERN with a big position. Actually in 10,000 shares on GERN. Still hasn't fully popped or really moved too much. So it's starting to push a little bit. Here we go. Come on. Slower mover. A lot of sells coming in there. Some more buys. Come on. Still holding GERN long in 10,000 shares. If we can get up and over this 100 moving average, we could get a nice pop. A lot of buys still coming in. Sellers at 209. If 209 sellers get out of the way, we're going to squeeze again. A lot of sellers at 210. Ridiculous. So I just sold majority of my position there at the sellers there at all right. I just took off the whole position there. So $1,000 win. I made 10 cents, 10,000 shares, $1,000. So that'll get us back in the green for that $457. There was just so many sellers there at 210. I didn't want to risk it pulling back too much. I'll keep an eye on it just in case. So a couple trades, still not super consistent, doing okay. Still watch it. Might have another move here. Just kind of zooming out to get a better view at it. Take a look at this 5-minute chart. So we'll see how the 210 bid looks here in a second when it gets up there. We still got as many sellers at 210. Yeah, still got tons of sellers at 210 for GERN. So if the 210 bid starts to decrease, then might long it. 210 is still holding strong. Still got a lot of sellers at 210. 210 slowly decreasing. Getting ready for a push over 210 if these sellers get out of the way. You can see them on the ass. There's a ton of them. Slowly decreasing though. Could see a strong pop over 210 if it breaks. So I'm getting ready here. All right, 210 broke. I'm in long. Let's see if it has enough strength to keep pushing here. So I'm in long 8,000 shares over 210. Starting to break a little bit, not a whole lot. It doesn't look like it's holding too well. We have buyers stepping up at 213, trying to hold the price up. 214 is the next kind of level we need to get through 214. We're up to 215. If we can get over 215, that's the next battle. Boom, there it goes. I'm going to sell some here. So just sold majority of my shares there, sold 5,000 shares. Only have 3,000 shares on this position left. We'll see. I'll probably size out by 1,500 at a time if it keeps pushing higher. Or I'll exit all if it can't get over the 220 mark. 220's probably got a lot of sellers there too. Yeah, 219's already racking up with sellers. 219 is getting chewed up to 220. 220 is getting chewed up. We should break 220 here. 223 pop. I'm going to sell 1500. Just sold 1500 on that move. I still have 1500 shares in long. 223 is getting chewed out. We're going to head to 224 on the ask. We're up to 224. Kind of struggling. Wouldn't be surprised if we see a pullback. All right, I'll take it. All right, so that was a good trade. All out. So with those two trades, I got myself up to $794 on the day profit. Finally making some decent trades here. Not bad. And how is BBBY? Oh, so sad. So sad that I missed that. GER one wasn't bad. It was a pretty good trade there. So $1,345 on it. It's still pushing, man. I mean, but I'm not gonna. I don't think I'm gonna force that position anymore. Good on that. How'd Netflix end up doing? Let's take a look at Netflix. Netflix rejected, coming down. Thank you guys. So for those of you that got that GERN trade, good job. Not bad. It honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if it moves higher. Buying pressure on still pretty strong. I've just been pretty shaky with my trading lately. Just want to make sure I'm getting some wins under my belt. AMRN is a little bit of a bull flag there. Kind of. It's not the cleanest, but I can see what you're referring to. Kind of the, yeah. Yeah, there you go. Oh, if my computer would allow me to draw my chart. Yeah, like that. Yeah, so there goes GERN kind of popping a little bit. AMRN. GERN is also popping a little bit up to 227. Good stuff, Jess. Nice work. 150 on GERN. I like it. IGC is trying to do like a red to green here, I think. Maybe. Yeah, IGC, kind of. A bunch of people probably just shorted that drop. Now they're starting to squeeze out a little bit. Doesn't look amazing. Well, we're going to end the live trading video there, guys. So for those of you tuning in on YouTube, thank you guys once again for tuning in, as always, to our videos. Stay tuned for the next one, which will be coming tomorrow in terms of our live trading video. We tend to upload one every single day. To join any of our services or free chat rooms, you can check out the link in the description of this video, as that will have all the links to join anything related to boiler room trading. Thank you guys once again for tuning in, and I will see you on the next one.